then she left. Oh no, she got banned and then she left. And now I got banned. What the hell? Okay, let's start this. Start it. They're not starting it. Why are they all private? Oh, 2 left. Make it public so people can join. Oh, what? Oh, okay. Sherlock has joined the game. Yeah. Ew, I'm a crewmate. Disgusting. Okay, all my tasks are over here, so this is gonna be easy peasy as a poopy squeezy. Ah! I'm leaving this game. Why can't I leave? So let's go over here, because my task is over here. I have medbay. So, I'm doing medbay later so people can watch me, so I could get cleared and so I feel safe. Ah! Why do I need to feel safe when they just killed me? Gosh! I'm leaving this game. Yay! Okay. Upload 5 days. Ah! 6, 8, 6, Sub-Zero. Oh, it's too late. Whatever. No. Dead body. I watched me do garbage. Shoot. No, not that. I'm not saying Lime is imposter. No, there's not even a dark green. I think it's red. Nice save, Pink. Red. Now Red's gonna follow me and then kill me. Gosh. Watch this. First try. Yeah! Ah! Storage right here. Ah! No. Bruh! I said Lime watched me do garbage shoot. Oh my. They really voted for me. I'm